Hello, good morning, my lovely students. It's teacher Lazan, and I'm so glad to be with you in online teaching. And in those lessons, we will review all things that we studied in class, okay? Be with me, and first of all, as usual, you should take your pencil and your notebook in front of you to write down anything that I say, okay? Firstly, you should open your books at page 106. Okay, we studied the importance of water. We said that water have a lot of importance. For example, plant and animal need water to live. Human and plants and animal need water to live. They can't live without water. Water is the most important things in our life and plants and animals' life. Okay. Second, 2/3 of your body is water. Our body contain 2/3 of water. Like if we have an apple contain a lot of water in it. 3. People must drink at least 2 liters of water each day. So, you should drink 2 liters of water. It means 7 or 8 glasses of water each day to stay healthy. If you don't do that, if you can't do that, you will lose your health. You will be unhealthy. Okay, that is important thing is that we studied in page 106. Now go to 107. There's a lot of things that we studied in page 107. Types of water. We said that water have 2 types: fresh water and salt water. Water have 2 types: fresh water and salt water. But we said that this picture is so important. This picture, we said that fresh water will be fresh frozen water, fresh liquid water. Fresh frozen water, fresh liquid water, and salt water. Salt water, we said that we have salt water and fresh water. Earth contain 97% of salt water. Earth contain 97% of salt water and 3% of fresh water. But fresh water, we have 2 types of fresh water: fresh frozen water, fresh liquid water. Fresh frozen water, it means the water that is like ice. It's frozen. And Earth contain 2% of fresh frozen water. It means an ice, like ice. And fresh liquid water, 1% of Earth is fresh liquid water, like river, sea, ocean. They are fresh liquid water. But fresh frozen water, like this picture, is fresh frozen water. It means the water become an ice cups. Okay, after that we pass to the page 109, and we said we have fresh water, but we should conserve fresh water. Don't lose fresh water anytime and anywhere. For example, how we can conserve fresh water? Fresh water can be conserved by turn off when you do something. For example, when you brush your teeth, when you take a shower, you should turn off the water when you don't need it. Gutman, fresh water, pevista پارێزگاری لێ بکرێ. بە چ شێوەیەک پارێزگاری لێ دەکرێ؟ چونکە ڕێژەکەی زۆر کەمە لە سەدا سێیە کە سەدا دوویان گوتمان ئایس فرێژ وۆتەرە فرۆزنە، سەدایەکیان لکویدە، بۆیە دەبێت پارێزگاری لێ بکەین بە گرتنەوەی ئاو لە کاتێک کە پێویستمان نییە. کاتێک کە ددانت دەشەی brush your teeth, you should turn off your water. And to avoid contaminating water, گوتمان ڕێگری بکەین لە پیسبوونی ئاو. Don't pour paint, oil or other harmful liquids down to the drain. لە بۆ نمونە ئەو کەشتیانە کە هەیە لەناو سی لەناو ئۆشن، ئەوانە هەڵدەستن بەڕژاندنی نەوت و چەوری زۆر زۆر کە زەرەری هەیە لە بۆ ئاوەکە، ئەوەش دەبێتە هۆی پیسبوونی ئاو و زیانگەیاندن بە تەندروستی. In this page we learn about salt water. We said that salt water is more than any water in earth, like 97% of earth is water. It means 2/3 of our planet's surface is salt water. We said that we have ocean, we have 4 ocean: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean and Southern Atlantic Ocean. The largest ocean in these 4 is Pacific Ocean. Is the largest and biggest ocean in our planet. And we said that you may think that ocean water isn't important, but it is wrong. It is very important. Why? Because fish and other animals live in it, so millions of people feed. And after that we pass to page 112, and we see that salt water, our planet contain 97% of salt water, and we see that we have 4 big ocean: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean and Southern Atlantic Ocean. And we see that Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in our planet. And we say that ocean is so important. You said, teacher, ocean is salt water, so why it is important? We said, yes, it's important because other fish and other animals and plants live in it, so it will be food for millions of people. گوتمان salt water لە سەدا 97 هەسارەکەی ئێمە پێک دێنێ و 4 زەریای زۆر زۆر گەورەمان هەیە کە salt waterن: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean and Southern Atlantic Ocean. گەورەترینیان Pacific Ocean بوو. Pacific Ocean گەورەترینیانە و پاشان گوتمان ئاوی ئۆشن زۆر گرینگە. دەڵێن مامۆستا بۆچی گرینگە؟ خۆ ئاوەکەی سوێرە و ئێمە ناتوانین بیخۆینەوە. دەڵێن زۆر گرینگە لەبەرەوەی ماسی و چەندەها جۆری گیانەوەری تر و ڕووەکی تێدا دەژی کە ئەوەش دەبێتە خواردن لە بۆ هەزارەها خەڵکی سەرزەوی کە ئەو ماسیە خۆت ئەو ئاژەڵە ڕاو دەکەن. Kawata, water is where is salt water found on earth? You should say this question: ocean.